Hello there, how are you? Welcome to this channel. I'm Afreen. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna talk about some common habits of successful women. So number one on the priority is be health conscious. So women who are successful already or who are on the way on the track of success, their first priority is always health. They are really health conscious. As a woman, we have tons of responsibility on our shoulder, and plus if we have any goal to achieve it, we have to make our own identity, then its health is on the priority. Because if we are not healthy, then how can we manage everything, our house, our family, kids, and the business or anything for we are doing our goal. Number second habit of successful women is they are hardworking, they are smart working, and they are totally dedicated. In this digital life, nothing is easy and nothing is small, nothing is big. You have to do work hard, you have to keep working and working. You have to be totally dedicated towards your work, towards your goal, then only you can achieve your goal. So it's really important in this digital life that you have to be dedicated, totally dedicated. You have to be passionate. You have to do hard work plus smart work. You have to manage your time. You need to learn the skill of time management, on which I'm gonna make a separate video on time management. So wait for that video, because that video is also gonna be really helpful for you if you want to be a successful woman, if you are a housewife, if you are a working woman, whatever. So that video is going to be really helpful for you. But for now, the next mantra of successful women is they never give up. Like, if you are working on your dream, if you are working towards your dream, if you are doing something which is inside you, which inspire you all the time, but it doesn't mean that you never lose your motivation. Sometimes you might lose your motivation. So in that time, just stop whatever you are doing, give a little break to yourself. Just watch any movie, go out, whatever kind of you do, whatever you like to do. Just in my case, I want to sit down alone. I want to watch movie, eat snacks, junks. I want to take a total day off, and then the next day I feel so energetic, so much refreshed, and my the motivation inside me, it's like double just than before. Just want to give this tip, which is my personal, is if you sometimes feel to not do work, if you feel sometimes not motivated towards your work, just take a one day off and then do everything like out of the box. So the conclusion behind that is never give up, because it's better to take break rather than give up. And the next mantra of successful women is cheer even a small achievement. Cheering a small achievement, small things is a fuel of keep motivated, keep going towards your big dream and achievements. And the last mantra of successful women is they are multitasking. So we all women, each and every woman are multitasking, because we have the talent. This talent is inbuilt in each and every woman. So use this power, and this single talent can take you the next level of your dream. But it doesn't mean that try to do 10 works at a time. So guys, these all are some of a mantra or some of habits of successful women. Just tell me what talent do you have, and if you don't have, then don't worry, just try to build up them. This is just my first video of habits of successful women. I try to figure out more habits and more mantra of successful women, so that can be helpful for each and every girl who is in the initial stage to doing something, to achieving something. Because my mantra is to motivate each and every girl, each and every woman. So yes guys, I'm gonna end this video right away here. If you like this video and you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and also do subscribe my channel and do share this video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye guys.